If you pull this further back, then it'll get a wider angle.
Yeah, probably not.
If you're gonna play hard, go for it. No, I'm not a fan of horse.
Yeah? Alright, that's good.
Okay.
Ready? Go ahead.
No, the camera just got pointed at James.
Did it now?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Anyway,
wind-ups
versus Inzektors.
Herp to Derp versus Forgotten Herp to Derp.
Herp to Derp versus...
High road. I got a 3.
3 to 5. You'll saw it. Go first. Come on, Shark Magician. Shark Magician? Nope. Oh shit!
Shark Magician? Maybe.
Oh, what a bitch.
Yeah?
My magical Veiler, no. Yep, Herp to Derp.
Herp to Derp.
Why is it 4-star, 4-star?
Opening Herp to Derp.
4-star.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
Where are you? Where is it?
In your hand, please.
No.
The question is, does he
There
have
it
two?
is. It's to 3 now. I think it's to 3. And then you overlay for that fucker.
You don't run the...
I don't run
You
this
don't run
shit.
this.
I ran it last format when it was just loop.
Well, it was so much easier.
Yeah, it was just like loop. It's right there now. Then you go fucking thing.
Yes. Other side. Extra deck should be.
That's right.
Okay.
You guys pick a spot where you want to play video?
Papal Operative?
Yeah. See? Herp to Dirt, fuckers.
Derp,
Herp to Derp, Derp, Derp to
Hop it
Derp,
up,
Derp,
derp,
Derp.
derp.
Herp to Derpness, Herp to Derpness.
I don't even know the fucking combo when I'm doing it.
Yep.
No, it's the rat now. Effects. I'm supposed to get you, I think. No, I get the third magician now.
No, you get Shark and Shark. Or Soldier Shark.
Yeah, Soldier Shark.
We're gonna do the other one, which is the correct play.
Which one?
Which is Shark Rabbit. And then Magician special summons Soldier. You just have a rabbit for next turn. You do it that way. Which is the best way.
I don't run this shit.
Oh no. Just end it like
yeah,
that.
like that, right?
Yeah.
And then Shockmaster you.
Fucker.
Yeah.
I know. Fuck you.
This is fine. I don't even know the combo when I did it.
Yeah, that's fine. Sharkmaster monster effects?
Shockmaster spells.
Spells.
Why do I see that one?
Shit.
So we end the first turn. The Papal Operative,
Oh.
Shockmaster, and Zen Mighty.
Mm-hmm.
Gain spells.
Good.
One back row.
Special. Normal.
Yep.
Activate effect.
Yep.
Ladybug.
Make it into 5.
Yep.
Make it into 5.
Yep. Look at I'm +1.
I'll search for Hornet.
Tears.
Tears attacks and mighty. Period.
Deeper?
D prison.
It's destroyed.
Well, it's banished.
It's banished, not destroyed. Yeah.
So G.
Right?
Just a little sour.
Set all the back row.
Set 5 past turn.
Go ahead. Fucking deep prison.
Let's see. I can try and nut. Yeah, let's nut. Heavy.
Yeah. Whoa. Get the fuck off.
Actually. Factor. Effect.
Yep. It kind of went sour real quick.
Yeah.
That one.
Kind of smelling OTK, but just saying. Life points are still 8,000, 8,000.
Yeah.
Big old piece of shit.
Giga Brilliant.
Told you, only OTK.
Effects. That's 4. Yeah, that's game.
That's game. So essentially on turn 3, wind up stake it.
Herp fucking dirt.
Derp.
I bet you I did it wrong too.
Probably.